To cut out an image in Adobe Illustrator, first you have to open your Adobe Illustrator, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then on this interface, continue to click on Open and locate the file that you want to open. In this case, I'm going to select this image. On the bottom right corner, locate your Create Layer and click on it. Then make sure the first layer is locked and then the second layer is selected. Among the list of menus here on your left panel, make sure to cancel the stroke, and for the fill you also have to make it none. Then after that, you have to continue to click on the pen icon, then continue to select the image that you want to cut it. So in this case, this is the image, so I'm going to go through the image and select it. Make sure you take your time to nicely cut it, and make sure you end on the point you started. After that, continue to the layers and make sure the first layer is unlocked, and then with the second layer where it is ticked red, make sure you bring it to the first layer. Then among the list of menus on the top, continue to click on Select, then All. Then on the same interface, continue to click on Object, scroll down until you locate Clipping Mask, and then continue to click on Make. So this will remove the background of this image. As you can clearly see, the background of this image is removed. So in my case, I haven't cut it nicely, so I have a rough cut. And to export it, you can proceed to click on the file and then proceed to click on Export. Then make sure you select Export As. And for the Save As type, we are going to select PNG. This will give us the transparent background that we are looking for. And for the file name, we're going to save it in this name, Mubarick MD. And continue to select the destination that you want. In this case, we're going to save it on the desktop. Then make sure to select Export. Then continue to click on OK. After that, when you minimize this page, you can locate the file that you just saved, which is the PNG. In this case, it's located here. As you can see, it has a transparent background. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.